Hi, Tom here. When you're preparing your help content for Fin, it's important to structure your articles so that they're optimized to be read by AI. Use rich formatting like headings, tables, numbered lists and bullet points to make it easier for Fin to find the answer your customer needs. In this article, the lack of headers, logical formatting or streamlined text makes it difficult for both customers and Fin to scan the content for the right information. Whereas this article uses headings, bullet points, and concise paragraphs to make it much easier for Fin to find and provide the answer your customer is looking for. Furthermore, Fin works best when information from the header is repeated in the body text itself, so we can be absolutely sure it's on the right track. To get started, why not review your help content and then try out your own support content for free with Fin?